In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an account on Google Drive on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch between multiple Google accounts on your computer without logging out or closing anything you're working on. Let's start from your Google Drive homepage on your desktop browser. Make sure you're already signed in to at least one Google account and that you can see your files and folders. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a small circular icon. This is your profile icon. It might show your photo, your initials, or a simple avatar depending on how your account is set up. Move your cursor over to that icon and click it. When you click the profile icon, an account panel will open. This panel shows the account you're currently using, along with some basic information like your email address and possibly a list of other accounts you've used on this browser. Take a moment to look over this panel so you're familiar with what's there, because this is where you'll come back to whenever you want to switch between accounts. Within this panel, look for the option that says Add Account. It's usually listed underneath any accounts that are already signed in. Go ahead and click Add Account. This doesn't sign you out of your current account. It simply starts the process of signing into another one alongside it. Once you click Add Account, your browser will open a new tab or window that takes you to the Google sign-in page. Here, you'll be asked to sign in with the Google account you want to add. Type in the email address for the account you'd like to use, then click Next. On the following screen, enter the password for that account and continue. If you have extra security set up, like two-step verification, you may be asked to confirm a code or approve the sign-in from another device. Follow the prompts on screen to complete any security checks. This is just Google making sure it's really you. After you successfully sign in, you may see some permission screens, especially if this account hasn't been used on this device before. Review what Google Drive is asking to access. Typically, this will include things like your files, basic account information, and related Google services. When you're comfortable with what's listed, go ahead and allow the permissions and finish the setup. Once that's done, your new account is now linked in your browser. To switch between accounts in Google Drive, go back to your Drive tab and click that same profile icon in the top right. You'll now see multiple accounts listed in the panel. Simply click the account you want to use, and Google Drive will refresh to show the files and folders for that account. You can repeat this process to add more accounts if you need them, and they'll all be accessible from this same panel. That's all it takes. You've added a new account to Google Drive on desktop, and you can now move between your personal, school, or work accounts quickly without having to sign out each time.